10 Best Bullet Journaling Accessories. 1. Knaid Phoenix Reborn Gold Foil Washi Tape Set. Gorgeous gold foil washi tape set for creative projects. Highlights. Stunning gold foil design featuring the Phoenix Reborn. Set of 3 rolls for versatile crafting and decorating options. High-quality paper material ensures durability and longevity. Adheres smoothly to paper surfaces without leaving any residue or damage. Unique and eye-catching addition to bullet journals, scrapbooks, cards, and more. From trusted brand Knaid, known for exceptional craft supplies. A stunning collection of 3 rolls with unique patterns and colors that add an elegant touch to your bullet journal notebooks, art journal, planner, and any other crafts. The gold foil accents give these tapes an exquisite appearance that stands out from ordinary washi tapes. Pros. Beautifully packaged, making it a perfect gift for creative friends and loved ones. Multi-use tape suitable for various crafts and projects. High-quality washi paper with strong adhesive that is tearable and repositionable. Stunning gold foil designs featuring the majestic phoenix bird. Cons. May not be suitable for those who prefer more minimalistic designs. The width of the tapes is limited to 3 sizes. Limited color options may not appeal to all customers. 2. Vintage Green Washi Tape Set. Detailed natural aesthetic vibe tape. Highlights. 8 rolls of vintage green washi tape. Antique mushroom Japanese masking writable decorative design. 8 rolls of antique mushroom Japanese masking writable decorative tape with a stunning variety of floral vintage designs. If you ask the bullet journal community, they overwhelmingly prefer using washi tape to enhance their journaling experience, and this tape set is not only beautiful but also functional. Made from premium Japanese paper washi material, you can write or draw directly on it with a pen or marker. Pros. Enhances your bullet journaling experience. Versatile for various crafting projects. Comes in a variety of vintage floral designs. Cons. Tape may not be very sticky on some surfaces. May not stay down properly on certain materials. 3. The Happy Planner Sticker Pack. Aesthetically lovely looking custom planner stickers. Highlights. 610 stickers on 30 sheets. All about sage theme. Combination of matte paper stickers and decorative stickers. Add a touch of elegance and organization to your planner or journal with the Happy Planner Sticker Pack. This pack features 610 versatile stickers in a stylish sage theme. It combines matte paper stickers for writing memos and decorative stickers, allowing you to customize your journal pages with ease. Pros. High-quality stickers. Versatile and easy to use. Enhances journal organization and creativity. Cons. Adhesive on some stickers may be weak. 4. Practical Planner Stickers. Value Pack 48 sheets. Boost productivity and organization with 6 months of planner stickers. Highlights. Includes 48 sheets of practical planner stickers for all your planning needs. Suitable for use in journals, wall calendars, and planners. Made with high-quality paper material for durability and easy application. Designed to cater to the organization needs of both adults and students alike. Features a unique practical planner color scheme that stands out from other sticker packs. Add a touch of creativity and functionality to your bullet journaling experience with the Practical Planner Stickers, Value Pack 48 sheets. These stickers make it easy to plan, organize, and track habits while maintaining an attractive layout in your bullet journal notebook. The pack offers an impressive variety of over 3,400 stickers tailor-made for various aspects of daily life and work planning. Pros. Enhance productivity. Versatile use. Wide range of functions. Cons. Limited design options for those looking for more specific themes. Some stickers may be too small or too big depending on the planner pages used. May not stick well on certain types of paper, causing frustration during planning. 5. Knaid Vintage Scrapbook Supplies Pack. Vintage-inspired crafting and scrapbooking enthusiasts. Highlights. Vintage aesthetic. The Knaid Vintage Scrapbook Supplies Pack offers a unique artistic, musical, and map theme that exudes a retro vibe. Diverse colors. This pack comes in multi-colors that are perfect for kids who love bright and vivid hues. Compact design. With dimensions of only 6 by 4.1 by 0.3 inches, this scrapbook is portable and can be easily carried around. Comprehensive set. The supplies pack includes everything needed to create beautiful scrapbook pages, from stickers to cutouts to patterned paper. Creativity boost. Kids can let their imaginations run wild and express themselves artistically while assembling the perfect scrapbook page. Trusted brand. Knaid is a reputable brand known for providing high-quality craft supplies that inspire creativity. This pack boasts around 200 pieces with various artistic designs, ranging from Van Gogh art and starry night paintings to antique handwritten script and old newspaper clippings. The diverse assortment truly inspires creativity while elevating your journal's appearance. Pros. Beautiful, curated pack of vintage scrapbooking supplies. Versatile for use in a variety of craft projects. Artistic design theme with approximately 200 pieces included. High-quality paper and stickers that are durable and easy to work with. Cons. May not be suitable for those who prefer modern designs. Some pieces may have a slightly faded or aged look, which may not be preferred by all users. 6. Habit Tracker Stencils. Achieve your goals with custom habit tracker stencils. Highlights. Customizable habit tracking. Accomplish your goals with ease by tracking your daily habits in a personalized way using these stencils. Convenient and portable. Lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry these stencils anywhere you go, whether at home or on the go. Easy to use. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. These stencils are simple to use, saving you time and effort in achieving your goals. Durable material. Made of high-quality paper material that is built to last so you can reuse them over and over again without losing shape or quality. Versatile application. Ideal for a wide range of applications such as exercise routines, water intake tracking, healthy eating habits, etc. Professional design. Professionally designed habit tracker templates allow precise measurement of progress towards accomplishing your goals. Pros. Achieve your goals with ease using tracker stencils. Variety of unique trackers to customize your planner needs. Custom designed stencils perfectly sized for A5 notebooks track anything from health, productivity, and gratitude to mood. Cons. Limited quantity of only 6 stencils available. Requires a .grid A5 notebook for optimal use. 7. 16 pieces Journal Stencils Set. Great for adding some flair to your bullet journal. Highlights. 16 sheets of journal stencils, size 7.5 x 5 inch. Aligns with 5 mm. Grid journals and A5 notebooks. Includes a variety of layouts, monthly, weekly, daily calendars, trackers, to-do lists, etc. Pros. Time-saving and efficient for bullet journaling. Versatile. Can be used for decorating diaries, notebooks, scrapbooks, etc. Stencils are easy to store and transport. Cons. Lacks creative elements. Difficult to line up with some notebook grids. Shapes and symbols may be too large for 5 mm grid notebooks. 8. Anezus Wax Envelope Seal Stamp Kit, Wax Seal Stamp Set. Create stunning vintage-style wax seals with our complete kit. Highlights. Complete kit. Includes everything needed to create beautiful wax seal stamps. High-quality materials. Made with durable resin for long-lasting use. Versatile. Compatible with jute and packaging materials. Easy to use. Designed for a user-friendly application process. Personalized touch. Adds a unique and elegant finishing touch to letters, invitations, and gifts. Trusted brand. Manufactured by Anezus, a reputable name in the arts and crafts industry. Pros. Makes perfect wax seals quickly and evenly for various projects. Comes with 5 sealing stamps in lovely patterns for added variety. Includes a gift box with detailed instructions, making it a great gift option. Provides 756 pieces of non-toxic wax beads in 28 colors, plus all necessary tools for convenient use. Cons. May not be suitable for those who do not enjoy or have experience with wax sealing. Can be time-consuming to melt and stamp each seal individually. The kit may not include enough wax beads for very frequent use. 9. Wax Seal Stamp Set. Elevate your creations with vintage wax seals. Highlights. Versatile. Compatible with a variety of materials including wood, glass, plastic and packaging. Stylish. Botanical set color scheme adds an elegant touch to any project. Durable. Made from high-quality wood and brass for long-lasting use. Unique. Creates a distinct wax seal design that stands out from other methods of sealing. Creative outlet. Perfect for craft projects and adding personalized touches to gifts or letters. Pros. Long-lasting, so you know your investment will go far. Plant-themed, so great for adding creativity to nature-related spreads, or a relaxing feel when you want to unwind. Packaging is high quality and can be used to store the set. Cons. Not suitable for use with hot wax. Limited to the selected designs and cannot be customized. Takes a bit of practice and patience to get a clean seal every time. 10. Phomemo M02 Mini Pocket Printer. Print your life on the go. Mini Bluetooth pocket printer. Highlights. Compact and portable size for on-the-go printing. Bluetooth connectivity allows for wireless printing from mobile devices. Thermal printing technology requires no ink or toner cartridges. Monochrome printer output produces high-quality text and graphics. Recommended uses for home, making it a versatile addition to any household. Lithium polymer batteries power the printer, providing long-lasting usage. The Phomemo M02 Mini Pocket Printer is a game-changer for bullet journal enthusiasts looking to elevate their creative organization. As a portable Bluetooth thermal printer compatible with both iOS and Android devices, this pocket-sized gadget makes it easy to print important documents, work lists, black and white pictures, or collage materials on the go. Its user-friendly interface makes it simple to customize your prints using various fonts, filter effects, and themes available within the Phomemo app. Pros. Portable and pocket-sized for on-the-go printing. Multifunctional with the ability to print text and photos instantly. The stylish design makes it a great gift for holidays or special occasions. Bluetooth 4.0 connection allows for wireless printing without cords or wires. Cons. May require regular charging if not used frequently. Only prints in black and white. Limited compatibility with older Android devices, requires version 4.0 or higher. These top 10 bullet journaling accessories are a must-have for anyone who wants to take their bullet journaling journey to the next level, or for those who are researching and thinking they should start bullet journaling. From brush and fountain pens, and gel pens, to washi tape, each best bullet journal supplies accessory adds a unique touch of creativity and functionality to your dotted journal and spreads. The links for all the items in this video can be found in the description below. Happy bullet journaling, and I hope you find these accessories very helpful in your bullet journal journey. If you have any questions or other accessories you find very helpful, please comment below, give a thumbs up on the video, and please subscribe to the channel for other helpful bullet journaling tips.